In the world of classic American muscle, sometimes the best stories don't start with a roar. They start with a challenge. This 1978 Camaro Rally Sport, paired with a 1981 Z28 roller, is sitting in Valonia, Arkansas for just $4,000. On paper, it looks like a rough project, but beneath the dust and the mismatched front end, there's real potential waiting for someone brave enough to unlock it. The seller says the car drove onto the trailer thanks to a new fuel tank and fresh fuel lines. But once he tried to fire it up again, the weak battery only managed to turn the engine over, never enough to bring it to life. In fact, he admits he has never heard the engine run, not once. And the transmission? The moment he rolled the car off the trailer, dropped it into neutral, and shifted back, it locked itself into gear. These old transmissions are known to be fragile, and this one is no exception. Fixable? Maybe. Replaceable? Definitely. But either way, it's part of the adventure. Even the front end needs love. The nose isn't fully mounted, the hood isn't aligned, and the whole car feels like it's mid-transformation, caught somewhere between what it was and what it could be. But that's exactly what makes it exciting. This isn't a polished classic. This is a blank canvas with personality, imperfect, unfinished, and full of possibilities. For the right builder, this Camaro isn't a problem. It's an invitation, a chance to take a $4,000 underdog and turn it into something loud, fast, and unforgettable. Every legendary build starts with a risk. So tell me, would you revive this forgotten Camaro or let it fade into the past? The choice is yours.